I'm in the fourth quarter of my life, and my purpose is to enjoy life more by removing unnecessary stress. I'm gaining control of my home by decluttering, cleaning, organizing, and simplifying. I'm getting my affairs in order, so to speak, with a next of kin box called Vital Legal Papers. With my educational experience and a doctorate in educational leadership, I simplify strategies by creating checklists, workbooks, worksheets, infographics, planners, journals, and other printable content to help others implementing similar goals and strategies. I consider myself a combination of Heloise, Dear Abby, Kim Komando, and Marie Kondo. If you're too young to remember all of those, just Google them. As a certified organizational specialist, I share the cleaning tips of Heloise, help solve your clutter situations like Dear Abby, demonstrate how to use technology to manage systems and procedures like Kim Komando, and support you in making your home a tidy place of serenity and calm like Marie Kondo. I'm Vicki Peel, and welcome to Her Life Hacks. I hope you'll stick around for more life hacks. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything.